Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Hello Word. I'm Alex, and I'm so excited you're here with me today. Our word of the day is AIDS. It's a B2 level noun that means help or support, and it can also refer to equipment that provides assistance. Let's dive right in and explore everything there is to know about this word. When we talk about AIDS, we're referring to things or actions that make tasks easier or provide assistance. For example, hearing aids help people with hearing difficulties, and visual aids like charts or graphs are often used in presentations to explain ideas more clearly. It's a versatile word that's common in many contexts, from healthcare to education. Some synonyms for aids include assistance, support, and help. For example, you might say, "The volunteers provided much-needed assistance after the flood," or "She received help from her colleagues during the project." These words are similar because they all focus on the act of giving or receiving support in various forms. On the other hand, antonyms for aids would include hindrance, obstacle, and impediment. For instance, you could say, "The broken equipment was a major hindrance to completing the task," or "A lack of funding proved to be an obstacle for the new program." These words highlight something that blocks or prevents progress, contrasting with the supportive nature of aids. In everyday life, you might hear the word aids in several contexts. If you're in a classroom, a teacher might say, "These visual aids will help you understand the concept better." Or, in a medical setting, someone might mention, "The physical therapist uses mobility aids to help patients regain strength." It's a practical word that fits into so many scenarios. Here are some examples of aids in action. The charity organization provides educational aids to underprivileged children. The museum offers audio aids to enhance the visitor experience. He relied on study aids like flashcards and apps to prepare for the exam. And that wraps up our deep dive into the word aids. To recap, aids refers to help, support, or equipment that makes things easier. It's a word that you'll encounter in both professional and everyday settings. Thank you so much for listening to today's episode of Hello Word. If you enjoyed the show, please subscribe and leave a review. Your support helps others discover the podcast and join our word-loving community. Don't forget to create your own sentence using aids and share it in the comments. I can't wait to read your examples. Until next time, keep learning and keep growing.